Hey guys, it's Crystal, and today I'm back to do a video on my favorite unisex scents fragrances in my collection. Alright, so we going in. So you can, these are fragrances you can share with your man, with your girl, whichever way you go. They are not overly feminine, not overly masculine. You get the drift. This is what I have in my collection. Half of my collection, I would say, is unisex. And definitely, I'm going to go over how, why, where, what, who. Okay? If this is the first time you've come to my channel, please go ahead and remember to subscribe down below, as well as press the bell so that you can see whenever I go ahead and post. You'll get notifications so you can keep up with the girl. If you have any questions, do go ahead and leave it down below. This list is in no particular order. We're just going to go through some notes and what I think. If you like what you're seeing, go ahead and stay tuned. Alright, so first fragrance in my list, that is unisex. Killian's Intoxicated. Now first of all, this cardamom, coffee, nutmeg, cinnamon. Great for winter, fall, those months, but wear it whenever you want. It's yours. You pay for it. It's your money. Wear it whenever you feel, however you feel. Okay? But this is unisex. Now I could definitely see this on a manly man with his beard and his sweater, and he's sexy, and he got the traps, and he's athletic. I can see it. I can see it. But I could also see it on a woman that's bad. Okay, she's out here. She's making her money. She's independent. She don't care. She's just good. She's jumping in her car. Heels on. I can see it on both. So I could definitely see it on both people. Both people. Man or a woman. I can see it on both. Very beautiful scent. Beast. Long lasting. Will last a day. Mixes great with sweeter perfume. So it's versatile. Not only is it unisex, it's versatile. Intoxicated by Killian. A next one that's a goodie. MFK Grand Soir. Amber, benzoin, vanilla, tonka, labdanum. First of all, when you first smell it, it smells like Stetson or something. Let it settle. After that, it's cozy. So I can see it on a man in the winter time. He's got his turtleneck on, his blazer. He's about to take that lady out for dinner. They're going on a special occasion, a wedding, an anniversary. I don't know. I'm painting the scene. However, I could still see this on a female. Okay? She's in like a fur or a faux fur, a leather jacket, something by an animal. She's bad. She might be going on a date. There may be some cuddling action, because this makes me feel cozy. This makes me feel secure. But there's something rich about it. So she's got her little designer bag. She's got the bag. She's has her career popping. She's got her independence popping. Like, I can see it on both. Okay, so the price tag is high. But if you got a man, y'all can, if y'all don't mind, guys can interchange. Y'all can both wear this thing. Grand Soir. Definitely more suited for fall and winter. However, on a cool spring day, get your entire life with this. Maison Margela replica. This is Jazz Club. Jazz Club. Pink pepper, lemon, rum. There is some tobacco leaf and vanilla bean. Anything with tobacco I can feel leans both ways. This is definitely fall, winter appropriate for the most part. But again, wear it when you feel like it. I could see it on a man for sure. I actually think it leans slightly more masculine than it does feminine. But it is definitely unisex. I rock it. I can see a man rocking it. It is nice. The longevity's chef's kiss all day. It's not going nowhere. It's not going nowhere, and for the price point, it performs amazing. Jazz Club by Replica, perfect. MFK's Baccarat 540. Phew. First of all, you know how it is. The saffron, the jasmine, the amberwood, the cedar, performs amazing on men. Their body chemistry sends it into a different direction. Women, again, this is a boss. She's wearing this. She's a boss. That's on period. She knows what she wants. She gets what she wants. She's dipping and doing it. Like, it can go on both. And again, it gives a different vibe on both people's chemistry, as well as individually your chemistry will mix with it completely different. Also very versatile because it can mix and blend with so many different things, so many different scents. It enhances a lot of scents actually. Beautiful base. So unisex, again, the price point can warrant both y'all sharing it for sure. If you got a man or a husband or a boo or whatever, whoever you got. Baccarat 540. Definitely one for the books. Another one. Now, I'm not gonna lie, a lot of these are very fall, winter dominated if we have to put them in a category. However, still a goodie. This is Killian's Angel Share. It's cognac, cinnamon, tonka, praline, vanilla, sandalwood, boozy. So you have to love a boozy scent. Definitely have to love a boozy scent. Have to be into cinnamon as well. That's very prominent in this scent, but it is beautiful, especially when it's cold outside. Whew. Although I wore it like 2 days ago, it was still beautiful, still killing them actually. Just I wore a little less, spray a little less when it gets a little warmer. If you want your perfumes to be versatile for all seasons, you just go a little less harder as far as I'm concerned. But this is great for a woman as well as a man. I can see it on both. Definitely, for sure, Killian's Angel Share. We're whipping through them, ladies. Tom Ford's Black Orchid. We got a little love affair going on. This is truffle, gardenia. There's some orchid. There's Mexican chocolate, amberwood, sandalwood, white musk. I mean, the list goes on and on and on and on. This, first of all, it's a complex scent. So when you, it's either going to be a love or a hate. When you spray it on, it then turns into something else and morphs. However, on a man, fabulous. On a woman, fabulous. Like, it's just a versatile fragrance. I can see you dressed to the nines in this, going somewhere fancy. Black tie, formal event, a wedding. I can see it. I can feel it. I can feel it. A sexy dinner date, anniversary date. Like, you know, you're dating and you letting them know what time it is. Beautiful. Both ways. Both people. Man or woman. Perfect. One that might be unexpected. Rolling in Love. When I smell this, I smile. It's so beautiful. First of all, it is almond milk, musk. There's some iris, tuberose. There's vanilla. There's tonka. There's musk. On a man, it's just like he's just like a sweet dessert. On a woman, it's just like, whew, she's in love. She's rolling in love in her femininity. She's out here on these streets. Like, it performs different on both from what I could tell. They've experimented, but amazing. Definitely one that both of you could share. Again, the price point could definitely warrant both of you sharing it if you have that option. It is amazing. Killian's Rolling in Love. Another one that would be really good for a man or a woman. Leans slightly more feminine to me. However, again, a man could definitely rock this with ease. Great for fall and winter. Again, I have wore this on days where it's a little less cool. Well, I'm in Toronto, so right now it's not so hot or anything crazy. So I've wore it on days where it's still, you know, moderately cool, not hot. But either way, I'm babbling on. This is Penhaligon's Changing Constance. It's cardamom, pimento, there's caramel, vanilla, and tobacco. Definitely great for both sexes. I could see it going either way. Beautiful scent. Longevity now. Now that I've played with this a little bit more. The longevity for me, I can get about 6 to 7 hours if I spray heavy on my clothes. However, less than that, you will get less. So you will have to vial up on this, okay? Man or woman, you vial up. But this on both sexes, I love it. I love it. The pimento on a man's skin, that spice note, don't do it to me. Don't do it. This is Changing Constance by Penhaligon. Okay, we go into the big leagues now. This is Shag of Food by Swiss Arabian. This is supposed to be a dupe for Lancome's, I can't remember the name. I don't think it's a straight up dupe, but it's good. This is saffron, oud, rose, vanilla. Okay, this is like the moderate oud. This is like, you know, you're not going hardcore. You ain't in Dubai, Saudi Arabia oud. You are in the lightweight zones oud. Okay, it's a smooth oud. This longevity is beast. If you spray this on in the morning, you're gonna come home and it's still on. The price point, 50 bucks or less. I can't even remember. I think it's less than 50 bucks for me. Definitely great price point. Will be beautiful on both a male as well as a female. So I would say if you want to even get onto a starter oud and you want to see how that goes, both you and your honey can get on this Shag of Food. It is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Last but not least on my list is Giorgio Armani's Rose d'Arby. This is from Giorgio Armani's private line. This is what launched me into private lines. The oud in this, smooth. The rose in this, smooth. Patchouli, vanilla, lasts all day. All day. This is amazing. Again, on a man, I can completely see it. On a woman, again, she's a boss. I feel like every scent in here, a woman, she would be a boss woman. On a man, it would be a boss man. Like on either one, and it doesn't lean too over or favor over. So these are versatile. Again, some of these prices warrant that you guys could share them interchangeably so that y'all can save. I mean, if I had a man, that's how I would be pinning it. That's how I would be pinning it. But the beautiful, the longevity, amazing. So little is actually needed. I don't even think I can do more than 3 pumps of this, and I am a chronic oversprayer. But this for both sexes, lovely, absolutely lovely. So as y'all know, I'm a chatty patty, so I try to whip through these 10 unisex fragrances that are in my collection that I think are versatile for you and your boo, husband, bona fide, whatever he or she is to you. Definitely list below your favorite unisex scent so we can all keep up and see what's going on. Please go ahead and remember to subscribe to my channel, and definitely have a good day and stay safe. Thank you once again. Bye.